Hey guys, it's Nathan. I'm back here again with another survival games video. So currently right now I am testing audio because I know that my past videos have had really bad audio and there's moments in the video where my voice would really spike and become annoying and it wouldn't work. So I'm trying a different headset that catches a bit more external sound in the video, and so I have my video volume currently all the way down, and I'm trying to do this to make the video a better experience for you, so you guys can understand it a bit, or understand what I'm saying. Okay, so I am going to hop into a single survival game, and throughout the survival game, I will post this on YouTube, and you guys can tell me if it's good or not, compared to my other videos. So right now, let's quickly switch out of third person and start a game. First person, let's go. Well, let's choose a game that's already. Oh, I can't slide. Weird. Okay, what's it? There's no games besides this one. Okay, looks like we got a weird one. How much time? 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, I will be right back when the game's about to start. Okay, guys, I am back. The game is starting. I spawned a terrible place because there was a tree in front of me. But it looks like we got some pretty bad loot. I don't know why I'm picking up 16 mushrooms, but who cares? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, is that a chest? No, that's a block of dirt. I see a chest right there, though. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, come on. Render faster, game. Oh, oops. My parkour skills is not up. Oh, there's another chest. You really get an edge with this whole delayed chunk thing. Oh, oh, oh. So it looks like a full armor. Hopefully I can get a better sword. Or a better thing in general. Oh wow, he's in full... Okay, I'm actually kind of scared. I saw a guy in like full armor over there. Chainmail. Still, golden axe. Oh, he looks... Okay, I'm actually gonna have to wait from this guy. Yeah, run, 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 run. Oh, he must be pretty hard. Go, 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 run. Oh, I'm keep losing sprint. Oh, this guy's not fast enough. Come on, step it up. Oh, this looks terrible. What is going on? Bring it to the fight. Bring it to the fight. Oh god. Actually, I noticed that's like it's really laggy because I'm next to a ton of other people. Let's go. Oh god. Lag spikes. And there's another. Oh, yo, run. I have to run. This. I gotta keep running. There's too many people. Run back. Run back to the original place I came from. I need food. I need food. Come on, give me food. Keep running. Keep running. Oh, they're still behind me. Oh. Wrecked. Okay, that was not a good game. You know what? Why not well, we should try another one. Oh god, the waiting for these games is so sad, it's not even funny. You know what? Let's go to... I don't know. Let's try... What the heck is Hot Rock? Let's try Hot Rock. Audio test in a game called Hot Rock. Whatever the heck Hot Rock means. Do I get to like throw rocks at people? That'd be pretty cool. But that's like next gen Minecraft sort of things. It's never gonna happen now. Go. Launch. Oh man, there's like 2 signs. Okay, so I can like click that. Oh yay. What do I do? Take a diamond and hold it for score 100 points for your team. Well, this game looks like crap. Oh, she has the rock and she's getting like beat down. And I have no yo, get over here, fam. I gotta beat down him. Get over here. Just because you have a diamond chest plate doesn't mean I can beat you down. Oh, he turned around. Oh, you nerd. I'm not fighting you. I'm fighting the other guy. And the same. It looks like our teammate has it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Dead. This is all. This is death. This is all just death. Just beat each other down. Oh, he is going a bit. Oh, yeah, I don't think that's normal Minecraft speed. This guest guy is going at. Yeah, he's going a bit too fast. Red team has to have all their points. Man, this is such an uninteresting game. This is not fun. Come on, why can't you make, like, Dragon Escape? Dragon Escape was fun when I used to play PC. Oh, get here. Oh, fam, there's like 5 of them. I can't fight them all. This guy, I can't keep up. Is he, like, hacking? Why is he so fast? Like, there's like 3 12-year-olds playing Minecraft with their fake skins that look nothing like them in real life. Even though I have that too, but, eh. I only choose the interesting. 72, it looks like we're winning. This is, I don't know how to commentate on this. It's just beating people down with swords. There's nothing interesting going on. Get wrecked, nerd. Oh, wow, I thought you were gonna fall off into, like, the void or something. You gonna fight? 1v1 me. 1v1 me, fam. Watch out. Oh, that was a good chain. That was a good chain. Chain of hits. Okay. She on a tree? That's why we're winning. She's on a tree. Fix your game. Get wrecked, scrub. What the heck? Oh, I got stuck. Oh, okay. Oh, he stopped hacking. Good. Good for you. Okay, let's go. 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 Come on. Come on. Oh, wrecked. The game will restart. I don't want it to restart. Oh, yeah, we won. Well, might as well end it off here. Okay. That will finish it for the audio test. You guys can tell me if you like it or not. If you don't, it's all good. I'll find another way to get that perfect audio. So, like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Hope you guys have had a good time. And I'll see you guys later.